Hello everyone, welcome back to Creo Parametric. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to develop the hexagonal nut in Creo Parametric software. Already I have drawn the hexagonal nut in Creo Parametric software. You can see here. This is the triangular profile thread. First open the new part modeling window. Go to the file, new, and choose part. Remove this checkbox and give the name hexagonal nut. Hexagonal nut. Don't give the space in between words. Hexagonal nut. Then click on OK and choose MMNS part solid. Then click on OK. Now the new part modeling window is opened. In that I am choosing front plane, sketch view. First we need to construct hexagon by using palette window. When you choose palette, it's showing the different polygons. Among that I am choosing 6-sided hexagon. Just pick and drop in the screen and move the center to this plane center. Then close this window and give the rotation angle 90. Hexagon edge length is 10 mm. Then click on OK. Now also click on OK. Apply the extrude. Here the nut thickness is D, that equal 10 mm, 10, and with respect and choose symmetry. Then click on OK. After this we need to apply the chamfer to both sides. So first choose the plane top, sketch and sketch view. Okay, after this first draw the two center lines. One is vertical center line and other one is horizontal center line. Now click mouse middle button, then draw the chamfer shape by using line tool. From this corner draw the horizontal line, vertical line, and you can close with start point. Like draw the shape like this. Then give this length 2.5, enter, and this angle, chamfer angle, is 30 degrees. Just select this edge and this edge, click mouse middle button here, edit this value 30 degrees, click enter button. After this select this triangle and apply the mirror with respect to this horizontal center line. Then click on OK. Then apply the revolve. So the triangle shape is revolved around that vertical center line. Now remove this material, then click on OK. After this we need to create one hole at the center. With the help of hole, select this surface and click on hole. Now move this hole to the center line. Just hold control button and select this axis. Now that hole is shifted to that center line. Now go to this menu, create standard hole. Here I am choosing a metric thread, standard metric thread, that is M10 into 1. That means 1 means pitch. You can apply this thread up to end point through hole. Then click on hole. OK. Okay. After this, for thread portion, thread profile, you can go to the sweep, helical sweep. Before going to select this sweep, first you need to apply the chamfer to both sides. With the help of chamfer, you can apply the chamfer to this side. Here the chamfer is 0.75D. Just I am taking 0.75 mm to both sides. This is one side, and also select the apply chamfer to this side, 0.75. Then click on OK. After this you need to create the profile with the help of sweep, helical sweep, references, define, choose the plane top, click on sketch. Now choose sketch view. You can for seeing internal view, just choose click model. First draw the center line, vertical center line, then choose references and select this edge, then close this window. Then take the line tool. Okay, draw one vertical line along this this line. Now click mouse middle button. You can draw this helical sweep more than this nut, so that's why I have taken from outside. Now give the dimension. This point, the gap between this point and this edge is take 0.5 mm. Similar to other side, select this point and this edge, click mouse middle button here, 0.5, enter. Okay, after this click on OK. Now draw the profile by using the sketch option, create or edit sweep section, choose sketch view. Now draw the profile from this point by using line tool. You can start from here, draw the triangle shape, here, that is equal triangle. Now give the angle, this is 60 degrees and also give the angle to this side. Select this edge and this edge, click mouse middle button here, that is 60 degrees. And next one is here the all lengths are equal. Select these three lines and apply the constraint, equal constraint. Then once see the internal thread, we know the relation between this height and P, that is h equal to 0.866 P. When you take pitch value 1, h equal to 0.866, and this curve, the distance between this corner point to this fillet point, that is h by 8, that means 0.866 by 8 equal to 0.104. Let us see. Now apply the fillet to this side. Select these two edges, then give the dimension between this corner to this point and click mouse middle button here. This is h by 8, 0.108, enter. Okay, click on OK. Click on OK. Now the thread profile is created. Here this pitch value is 1 and remove this material. Then click on OK. Now the thread profile is created, you can see here. Okay, after this, once again carefully see this image. In the bottom side, h by 4 is there. Okay, for creating this portion, okay, select this surface, choose extrude option, and choose sketch view. First draw the one circle from the center point, then click mouse middle button, select the references and choose the internal circle, this circle, then close this window. Then create one point on this reference circle and this circle. Now click mouse middle button and give the dimension between these 2 points, this first point and second point. Click mouse middle button here. This is the h by 4, that is 0.2165, enter. Now click on OK. Apply the extrude to other side. That length is D. D means 10 mm, enter. Now remove this portion, remove material, then click on OK. Now you can see here. For seeing sectional view, choose this plane, right plane, go to the view option, section plane, properties, give the name is I'm taking R, capital R, capital S, enter, then click on OK. You can see here. You can also see the different views, left view, uh, right view. You can see here. This is the thread profile created, internal thread profile created in for hexagonal nut in Creo parametric software. Okay, I hope you enjoyed a lot in session. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates. You can also turn up the section. Just choose this one and turn up the section.